Hi all, Chris here with something I picked up a long while ago for $5 from an op shop. It's a 1970s Vulcan Tangi 3 heater. It's a little fan heater. So it's got 3 settings obviously. High, medium, low, and just a fan. It's a good little heater, I used it a lot actually. Warms up my room nicely. Nice little wood grain metal case. And on the underside, made in Australia. It's got a registered design number. Can't read it though. And yeah, made in Australia. Unlike most of the newer appliances, that's for sure. So it's a good little unit, and as said, I use it a lot. Always, because it's an older, aging appliance, I always make sure I'm in the room when it's in use, just in case anything does go wrong. But there it is. So cheers, Chris.